Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. The Hermit. And we have 10 of Wands. Leo, this is your current energy and this 10 of Wands is your partner's current energy. So first discuss about your current energy. Leo, some of you are going through some kind of observation phase of your life, okay? You must be dealing with a lot of people. You must be talking with a lot of people, okay? But right now what you are doing is that you are just analyzing people. You are just analyzing people's behavior towards you. Okay, you are in hermit mode. You are not doing anything. You are just sitting calm. You are not doing anything. People must be thinking that, hey, this person is not taking any action. This person is not doing anything. This person is sitting idle. But it's not that. You are working. Your mind is working continuously 24/7. Your mind is working like a machine. Okay, you are thinking about certain people. You are thinking how they have how they have helped you, or how they have treated you when you wanted their help, or right now how people are listening you. Okay, so a lot of observation is going on at your end. You are being somebody who must be collecting a lot of informations from all your available sources, and this could be related to your person as well. It could also happen for some of you that you are gathering a lot of information about your person. Perhaps you want to take a solid action towards them, and just to make sure that you are not going to commit a big mistake. You just want to make sure that, hey, if I'm taking some certain action towards this person, I should be rest assured. Okay, I need to know what this person is, what kind of behavior he or she has. Okay, so a lot of introspection is going on in your life. All right, on the other hand, we have 10 of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. Your person is being somebody who is overburdened. This person has a lot of burdens on their shoulders. Okay, perhaps they are somebody who is the only bread earner in their family, or perhaps it could also happen that they are being somebody who is completely drained by the behavior of other people. Okay, so they are being somebody who is just doing all their daily routine tasks, and they have no life about after this or beyond this point. Okay, they are continuously working. They are emotionally drained. They are feeling overburdened. All right, and the thing is that they are completely, there is no connection between them and their family. Okay, see, this person is completely all alone. Nobody is around him. All right, so I feel that they are somebody who is the only bread earner for their family. Okay, they are being very workaholic. You can say they are very hardworking, or you can say they are somebody who is always overwhelmed by their thoughts or emotions. Okay, so whatever the case it is, they are somebody who is emotionally drained. Now let's see what you feel about them, or think about them, and what they think about you or feel about you. Okay. Oh. Whenever you see them, okay, Leo, whenever you see this person, you feel that this person is feeling like, oh my god, I should give up on such things, or I cannot do this thing, or I cannot do that thing. Okay, they seems like that they want to give up on something, but they are not giving up on it. Okay, they are somebody who is very stubborn. Okay, if they have put their words into something, or if they have put their efforts into something, they make sure that they accomplish that particular thing, they complete that particular thing or particular project. So they are somebody who is very stubborn, who is very determined, okay, and you actually you like their this quality. All right. On the other hand, Leo, your person feels about you. We have two cards, the Star card and the Seven of Wands. This person thinks about you that you are somebody who has been through tough time in life. Okay, now you are just being into your own energies. You are just taking your own time to heal your heart and mind. Okay, even though you have a lot of people around you, you have a lot of distractions around you, but you know what is there for you. All right, you are somebody who is very focused in life. Okay, and that's why you are not bothering, or I mean you are not taking any kind of mental pressure on yourself that hey, if XYZ is thinking about me, this you are not care about. You don't care about people, what people are talking about you. You are least interested what people says or what people talk about you. Okay, your complete focus is into you. You are just going through some kind of a healing thing, or some transformation is going on. And the best part is that you know what is there for you in life. And the time, when the time will become, you are definitely going to choose what is the best for you. Okay, so your person sees you as somebody who is mature. Okay, they see you as somebody who is mature. This person doesn't care about anybody else. This person knows how I should take my life ahead. Okay, and what is best for me and for my family and for my life. Okay, and I'll do. I don't care about what other people thinks. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Ace of Swords and Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Leo, I feel that with these two cards, you are, as I told you in the beginning, you are being somebody who's not doing anything. Okay, perhaps if people are seeing you, they must be thinking that hey, this person doesn't have any work to do. Okay, this person always sit idle. Okay, and perhaps they don't have any motive in life. That's why you are being somebody who is pretending that hey, I'm not working. Okay, I don't care what people think about me. And that's why it seems like you are taking your own time. See, your person thinks about you that you are going through some healing process. Okay, and these two cards are telling me that you are being somebody who is not showing what you are up to, what's happening in your mind. Okay, I told you in the beginning that you are being the hermit mode. You are observing things, observing and analyzing people's behavior towards you. Okay, but people think that hey, this person is not working anything. Okay, this person is sitting idle, this person is just wasting their time. Okay, so this is the reason you are not taking any action towards your person. Now let's see what action this person is taking towards you. King of Cups. Okay, it seems like Leo, this person has emotions for you and they genuinely wants to offer you something. But yes, this person has their own limitations. This person has their own problems in their life. I told you that this person must be the only bread earner in their life. Okay, and I'm seeing that this is your person, King of Cups. Can you see this king is surrounded by water. Okay, this is their limitations. Even though this king has this cup of emotion, they have emotions for you, but they have their own limitations. This person cannot dive into this water. Okay, so perhaps this person is waiting for the right time to offer you this cup. So yes, they have their own limitations, they have their own problems, and you cannot deny with that. So yes, there is no action from their end also. Okay, now let's see what you guys are thinking about, or how you are feeling in this relationship. How you are feeling in this relationship. How you are feeling in this relationship. Knight of Pentacles. See, I told you in the beginning. Oh my God. Oh, can you see something? We have got two horses in this reading, okay? And both the direction is on same. I mean, they are facing in the same direction. You have this black horse, they have this white horse. You want to start something new. This is also a beginning of this beginning of something, okay? You are taking your own time to see what is happening around you, okay? You are standing on a on edge of a cliff, okay, and you are observing what is going on, okay? So you are just waiting for the correct time to take action. You genuinely wants to take some action towards this person or towards this relationship. On the other hand, with this death card, this person also wants to take some action towards it, or perhaps they feel that, okay, this is the new chapter of my life, okay? For them, you are their new chapter, okay? Something has ended in their life and now something new is about to start in their life, okay? So both of you are at the same point. Both of you are on the same page. Hey, that hey, I want to start something new. And your person is also thinking about you, that hey, I want to start something new, okay? So both of you are taking your own time to come forward or to come out from your shell. But yes, eventually you will definitely be out from this shell. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Oh my God. And the future potential. Okay. Okay. So the mutual energy is Four of Cups. It seems like both of you have a feeling of this thing, that hey, I should, that I something is about to start in my life. I told you this with these two cards. Mm-hmm. Perhaps universe has already offered you something in life earlier also, but you were being so sad about something, or some sad about some of your losses, that you didn't acknowledge it. But yes, again, universe is offering you something, okay? And perhaps this is your person. Both of you are on the same page. Both of you want to start something new, all right? And it seems like it's this card is for both of you, okay? Both of you are both of you must be blessed with so many opportunities in life earlier also, but you were being so sad, or you were being somebody who is not bothering about anything around you. So you just, decline that offers, or you don't even know that these offer exist, okay? Now it seems like you are planning to see what universe is offering you. It seems like you are just about to open your eyes and see, hey, this is the person for me. I should take a step ahead towards this person. All right. On the other hand, we have future potential. Okay. So with this card, the High Priestess card, I feel that both of you are going to hide something, some information about your personal life or a professional life with each other. It seems like you won't be able to, open up your heart in front of each other in a one go. You will take your own time, and that's completely fine. There is no issue in that. If you guys are taking your own time, if you are taking a very slow move, or if you are applying that go slow strategy, then it's completely fine, okay? So in initial time, you won't be able to disclose each and every detail about you, each and every detail about your personal life. Okay, so with this High Priestess card, it seems like you will take your own time to confront your good and bad traits in front of each other. So it's okay if you are taking slow move towards them, then it's completely fine. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Abundance. Okay. It seems like the moment you will take a step towards them, or they will take a step towards you, you are going to experience a lot of abundance in your life, in terms of emotions, in terms of affection, love, romance, okay? So this relationship is surely bringing abundance in your life, all right? Okay. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Okay, we have Scorpio in this reading with this Death card. We have Aquarius in this reading with this Star card. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this High Priestess. We have fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, and yes, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 4 of Cups, King of Cups, and yes, we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this reading with this 8 of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 6 of Swords in reverse and Ace of Swords in reverse. All right, okay. So Leo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye. And please take care and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.